Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, we have opened a OTC pair, and if you check, the market is moving in a ranging area. Okay, we'll start the trade from the next candle. Okay, here I will go with sellers. Okay, let me take the trade. Okay, fine. Why? First of all, I will say you few logics here. One, the market is in a momentum. Second thing, just now it has been breakout a level. Still I have gone with sellers. Why? One, the reason is we are in a momentum. Second thing, did you see any weakness in the candle? No. So whenever you are in a momentum, so try to follow the momentum. So if you have weakness, if you really have a weak continuously candles, means then you could take a reversal in the buying areas. Otherwise, try to follow the momentum because it will helps you more. Maybe one or two times it will reverse, but maximum times it will continue. So try to check these points whenever you are trading in the market. Okay, see here the sellers are trying to come. Okay, finally the sellers have been came. Now you got a weakness and it was a breakout, and easily you can go with buyers now, because the zone which I have plotted, it's all a buyer's area zone. So if you check the two lines, you will understand. From that zone, every time the buyers are getting strongly enter. So easily you can go with buyers here. You got a confirmation also that the momentum has been came to an end, which shows a weakness. So easily you can make a reversal trade. And one more thing, in the YouTube, I have uploaded Trendline strategy and every candle explanation part 3. There is a membership which costs you only $50, not even a $1 also. So try to grab the opportunity. Okay, just $50, not even a $1 also. So try to check here. Okay, coming to the chart here. If you notice, previously we have a momentum, in between you got a retracement. What is the next candle? Yes, easily you can continue for at least one candle. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers here. So whenever you try to trade regarding to the trend, then the similar points will be appeared in the market. Okay, if you really like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos regarding trading. Okay, here you can go with sellers. I think you know the reason. Okay, can you guess what is the next candle now? Okay, can you guess? Here I will, can I say? Okay, here I will go with buyers. Okay, why I have taken a buying trade? First of all, I have mentioned a point in the support area where the market has been rejected from that area. So can't you expect a single candle? Yes, you can expect a single candle. And one more thing, the market is not a trendy market to break the levels to go down. It is a ranging market. So if you check the levels which I have plotted, the market is moving in that particular range only. It is not breaking or it is not overlooking the market. So try to check these points. That is the difference of the ranging and trendy markets. So try to check these points whenever you are trading. Okay, here it is a 50-50 chance, so I won't take trade. Try to wait in these kind of areas. Here why I am saying this thing means, sometimes the market may go buyers, maybe it got support, so that's why it could go with buyers. But here there is no opportunity. And if you notice one thing, can you see any pattern now? I think red green pattern is trying to form. So I won't take trade here. I will wait for 1 minute. I will take trade on the next candle only. Regarding this candle behavior, I will take the next candle trade. Okay, And one more time I'm mentioning this point, in the YouTube you have a trendline strategy which works perfect, and every candle explanation part 3 especially, that video is dedicated for only momentum. If you see that video, you better to know the momentum, how it works really. Okay, here one more thing, I have just now taken with buying candle. Why? As I mentioned you one point, there is a pattern going on. I didn't know whether it is confirm or not. Now I got a confirmation. What is that pattern? Here if you notice, red green pattern. Okay, so in that basis, and one more thing, the level is for 2. So in these cases I can easily go with buyers here. Okay, we'll see what will happen. Whenever you are trading, first of all try to draw the levels, because if you draw perfect levels, the area will be filtered. Then according to that area, you may easily predict the candles. So that's why I will mention every time, try to draw levels perfectly. If you draw only, you will get a clear corrections. Okay, yeah. Here, what is the next candle now? Should I follow the pattern? Should I go with buyers? Here, why I have gone with buyers? If you check one thing, there is a rejection from the buying area, which means now you can continue with the buying candle. Maybe the pattern came to an end, you can say like that, but as of now, if you notice, you can easily go with buyers here. Okay, here my next level is there, and I think major level should I check now, because the market came to an end. Maybe any major levels is available or not, we should check that too, because there are two trends in the market, minor trend and the major trend. Okay, so regarding that you should behave. Okay, if the major trend is there, you can't do anything. So if you minor trend is, try to prefer that. Okay, here I have a question mark. Why? It is a breakout, but there is no rejection and there is a gap up. It's a OTC market. So I will do one thing, with the margin of safety I will take with sellers. Why? Because here in these cases, after breakout you could expect a reversal. Yeah, it's correct, but it is a OTC market. But here in these kind of situations, sometimes wick rejections will be more. Maybe this will be a retracement only, because I have seen this point so many times. So that's why with the margin of safety only I have taken trade. Even if it is loss also, it's okay, we will continue to the next trade also. Okay, so here in this kind of situations, if there is gap up and no rejections, please try to wait. Okay, otherwise take margin of safety like me. Okay, see, okay, at last I got win, it's nice. Okay, now I want to check the levels because rejections are getting higher. Any trend line? One second. Yeah, here I got a trend line. Okay, let me adjust the trend line. How perfect is this? Okay, still there is a gap. Yeah, I will go with buyers as of now. Yeah, yes, let me go with buyers. 1 second. Yeah, it's a late entry, but we are in a OTC market and we are in a momentum. And one more thing, left side I don't have any level, still there is a gap. So up to that level it will fulfill the market easily. So these points made me to take with buying candle. Okay, so I think you got an idea about the regarding trades which I am taking. So if you have any doubts, you can check once more time the video. Otherwise still you have doubt means, yeah, you can message me in the Telegram. Why I am mentioning means, if you have really doubts only, try to ask, because if you don't understand means you will wait. Okay, here we continue to the market. Here I have gone with sellers. You may say this one thing, there is a momentum, strong candle, still why you have went with sellers? Okay, I will show you the level after the winning only. Why I am particular about this candle to sellers. Okay, here up to then I will say you one thing. if you check the last before candle, which was a weak candle, all of a sudden you have got a strong candle, which is called an exhaustion candle. Okay. And one more thing, let me draw this level for you. Here there is a level where the previous trend has been started. You should get this point. Okay. I will show you the major trend line too, because let me adjust. There is a level here, so easily you can go with sellers here. See, now you can understand why I am going with sellers. It's a major level 2. From that area you are getting strong, means easily you can expect a selling. Okay, here this is also a selling candle, but with the margin of safety I have gone with buyers. Maybe it will be a weak candle, means easily we can win. I think I have taken so many trades. This is my last trade. Okay, we'll see what will happen. So whenever you have a major levels, try to respect them, because the similarities are common, but it has high power, so try to respect those levels. Okay, major level, as expected we got a long candle. Maybe the market wants to go down. It's okay. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.